As Israel's war in Gaza continues, the situation is dire. Mass graves, damaged hospitals, and thousands of civilian deaths marks the reality for Gazans. The conflict, which began on October 7th, has led to widespread displacement of Gaza's population. Critics say Israel's actions are driven by revenge. Now, let's look at the numbers. Gaza's Ministry of Health reports over 34,000 Palestinians killed and 77,000 injured in Israeli attacks, with women and children making up 72% of the dead. One child is killed or wounded every 10 minutes in Gaza, and 7,000 people are missing or presumed dead. A UN report suggests Israel may have violated the Genocide Convention by killing civilians and causing destruction. Residential areas are destroyed, with bombings destroying homes and infrastructure. Israeli forces dropped over 75,000 tons of explosives, damaging or destroying 62% of homes, leaving nearly 90,000 ruined and 300,000 affected. A joint World Bank and UN report cites $18.5 billion in infrastructure damage within the first 4 months of the conflict. The humanitarian crisis deepens, with 1.1 million facing severe food insecurity, warned of famine. At least 30 children have died from hunger, with over a million facing disease due to displacement. Aid efforts are hampered by Israeli restrictions, with over 200 aid workers, most Palestinians, killed. Israeli forces target Gaza's hospitals, leaving only 10 of 36 minimally functional. Over 350 healthcare workers have been killed and 520 wounded. Gaza media reports 485 medical staff killed, with mass graves found at Nasser Medical Complex and Shifa Hospital besieged. Efforts for a ceasefire are repeatedly blocked. The US vetoed the UN ceasefire resolutions 3 times since October 7, with a 4th blocked by Algeria, Russia, and China. On March 23rd, the trio vetoed a US-drafted resolution calling it hypocritical. The US also provides substantial weapons aid, with $26 billion recently approved by the House pending Senate consideration.